Welcome to latest laws. The Madras High Court has directed the Tamil Nadu government to frame appropriate guidelines for strict compliance of the rule prohibiting the arrest of women after sunset and before sunrise. Justice Anita Sumant made it clear that the bar under Section 46(4) of the CRPC should be followed even in exceptional, urgent, and emergent situations. The proviso imposes a bar on arresting women after sunset and before sunrise except in exceptional situations. It also mandates presence of a woman police officer during the arrest of which prior permission should be obtained from the jurisdictional judicial magistrate. In another news, amid huge political row over Rahul Gandhi's disqualification after a Gujarat court sentenced him to 2 years in jail, the Lok Sabha membership of Lakshadweep MP Mohammad Faisal was restored after his conviction in a criminal case was put on hold. It has been reported that Rahul Gandhi's legal team may cite this example before a higher court to try and get a stay on his conviction and restore his Lok Sabha membership. Faisal was sentenced to 10 years in prison in a case of attempt to murder and was automatically disqualified from parliament after his conviction. The Representation of People's Act 1951 says that anyone convicted of an offence and sentenced to imprisonment for 2 years or more stands disqualified.